Alfie just found a spotted second reef. Oh, holy shit bags. Yeah, boy. Be something good. Silver. Oh, that's a sweet, it looks like a morlong. What is it? Looks like a moe. Is it good? Yeah, or a slaty. That's a slaty. Holy mother of God, what are they? Alright, oh, I think I see shit on there. Just hooked into fish number 2. Oh. The old ugly fish. Oh, get him out from that drop. Floating some pilchards down. We just got a nice trevally. Yeah, we got a couple. Swap hands. Oh, gone. Oh no. Right, we'll get another one. Okay, so not to worry, we just dropped one and we're straight back into it. One cast back out. Huh? Want me to get the back one? This is on the big one. This one's got a little bit more pizzazz. The guys behind us are just slowly creeping up closer to us. Oh, we've got a lovely rainstorm going on over there. It's nice. I think it'll be raining back in town. Don't worry about that, Rod. Yeah, that's good. Colour? Another one, another trevally. Oh my god. Oh. We got 4 gaff attempts. Sorry, dude. Oh. Alright. Good work. That's 2 for the day. Nice. Oh, I just hooked in the same spot as well. A little more. Oh. Alright. That could work out.